Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Hello again, it's me here on Lulu Live. I wanted to do this little video with you on the new finishing touch flawless facial hair removal. Yes, I know it's a little embarrassing. I think, at least in my opinion, it is. I'm going to be trying this out with you on camera and showing you what it looks like. My cousin recommended it to me. You get hair in that area and you don't like it, or at least I don't like it. I'm not really a fan of waxing on myself. I don't really like to wax it. I've done it once and it hurt like hell, so I wouldn't do it again. But I found that bleaching, it's just not enough, because then I gotta cut it, I gotta tweeze it. Then I tried doing the Nair cream stuff, and then there's a Sally Hansen creamer too that I've tried to remove the hair, and it doesn't do it completely, so that's just annoying. I've even tried reapplying it. I did the Nair for 10 or so minutes, washed it off, then I did it again, and it irritated my skin, obviously, because it just didn't cut it the first time, so I did it again. So I'm just I don't know. I'm tired of tweezing and trimming and nairing or bleaching, all of that stuff. Now I was thinking about shaving it with those little trimmer things, mini razor things that are meant for this for your brows. And I was I don't know, I'm afraid. So my cousin actually told me that this does the job. My cousin told me that the finishing touch facial hair remover is so delicate on sensitive skin that it doesn't even break out from using this. So she said it's really good at removing hair and I won't be disappointed, so I figured I would give it a go and see what it's like on me and hope that it cleans it up the way that I would be satisfied. Just get rid of all the hair and not break my skin out. So what I did was I used a facial cleanser and washed my face, put on a little chapstick. So this is just me. This is me all hairy and scary. And I don't know if you could tell, but I can. And this is the finishing touch flawless facial hair remover. It says it removes hair instantly and pain-free. Perfect for facial hair, gentle on all skin types. It's 18 karat gold plated. There's a built-in light that lets you see even the finest hairs. Discreet. There's a battery included. I don't know which kind. Dermatologist approved. And on the back it says gentle on all skin types, no bumps, no redness, no irritation. Built-in lights this is the same thing on the front as the back, I think. Built-in light lets you see even the finest hair, or hairs, finest hairs. Hair will not grow back thicker, guaranteed, because that was one of my big concerns. Will it grow back thicker? I don't want it to. I just want to get rid of it. So, this one was made in 2018. U.S. and international patents pending. Let's see. So this is the one that I got. There's 3 different looks at the store where I bought this. I just got this one because I was probably all the same, just different colors. Same price, what difference does it make? So I just got this one. And let me get this to open. So you gotta cut this thing. So I cut the thing so I can get this open, hopefully. Or at least out. How do you do this? I'm not very good at this kind of stuff. So, okay, I see. Oh. pop this out. Comes with some paperwork. And it looks like a little lipstick. That's what my cousin said. She's like, you want the one that looks like a lipstick? I might need this. The directions on how to do the battery, because I'm usually not good at that. And it comes with a little like brush to clean, you know, your hairs off the thing. So it comes with the finishing touch hair remover thing. Oops. Oh. Sorry, it's not clean anymore. A little brush to clean it. And a battery. That looks like a AA, but it says, yeah, it is a AA battery. It's a AA plus. I don't know what that means. And it has 1.5 volts. And peel, use in circular motion. I don't know how I'm going to peel this with my nails like this, but we'll see. Peel, slide, gold, switch up to turn on. How do you put this in? Oh, like that. Alright. So you just pull this thing out. I'm getting nervous. Oh, okay. So this thing goes, the plus side goes that way. I mean this way, you know what I mean. Goes like this. And you want to stick it back. Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Stick it in. So this is it. Like this. I got my little brush. So now we're going to try it. I'm going to leave the stickers on for now because I don't want to ruin my nails. That I did last night. They're like the glue-on ones, but this is not about my nails. This is about finishing touch. So I don't have a mirror on me. I have to grab a mirror. I'll be right back. So I can see the hairs like with the mirror. So I have hairs like all along here that I'm going to try to get rid of. So I'm going to turn this on. You like switch this thing. See this? You go like that. There's the light. I'm scared. Oh, it worked. And then I'm pretty sure the heads are replaceable because I think we sell it at the store where I work. And I forget how much they are. Like this was $19.99. But I'm pretty sure it said $12.99. I don't remember exactly. And I'm pretty sure we sell the replaceable heads that can go on either of these. Like as long as it's the same model. And I'm just like going like this. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. Going around the areas where I know I'm hairy and scary. But like, you know. I'm just gonna turn this off real quick and examine my face. It took off most of it. There's a couple pieces that are a little difficult, but let me see if I can get it. Here. Oh my god, that's amazing. Because to be honest, like, I have very sensitive skin and I'm not particularly like breaking out right now. Like from this at least. It did a much better job than the Nair. And the bleach, there's just one hair here that's like bothering me. Hold on. That's great. Wonder if I could use it for my brows. I'm not gonna do that right now though. But yeah, but isn't that amazing? I would recommend this. Yeah, it was only like $19.99 retail value, and it's so little. Like if you wanted to, because I asked my cousin, I was like, "How do you clean it?" And she's like, "What do you mean clean it?" And I'm like, "Well, you're using this when you're use." That's why I was like, I gotta wash my face before I use it, because you know germs and stuff. But I don't really know what this is doing. That was so easy to use, and it takes it off like 1, 2, 3. And you stick it back like that, put it wherever, throw it in your purse, put it in your bedroom drawer, wherever. That's so awesome. I should get like a pouch for this, you know? Because where am I going to put these? Like this doesn't stick on here. But yeah, I think it's great. I really liked it. I would definitely recommend this. And it's pretty affordable, and you're saving money by not getting the Nair or the Sally Hansen removal cream that doesn't remove the hair like it says it's supposed to, or the bleach. I'm really impressed. I liked it a lot. And it was so easy to use, like ridiculously easy. Yeah, it just comes with all this stuff that you don't really need. But that's that. And so thank you again for watching my videos. I know you probably haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe if you have. Thank you very much for your support. But if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Follow me on my social. Please subscribe. Click the notification bell so every time I put up a new video or post a new video, you will be notified immediately. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye. Let's see. We're told that there's a difference, but there is. I should have done a before and after picture. Oops. Flawless. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.